What's up, 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 guys? Oh my god, it's been a while since I didn't post no video. You know, I've been doing live. What's up, guys? How you all doing? Well, you don't know, you're gonna see in the title what kind of video girl I gonna post today. Well, basically, what me I gonna talk about, Boo and Alicia Kim. Alicia Kim. I follow them guys. I always watching them. I really love Boo and I really love that girl so much. But I see she drop a prank and Boo. I never know that Boo would take it so far. I wonder if a prank Boo would prank her back, like not talking to her, not dealing with her, or just me don't know. Me wonder if I prank him away the back, or him really take this prank so far that him have to leave the house. Guys, what do you think about this? No, like seriously, Boo? No, I mean not accept this from you, Boo. I don't accept this from you at all, Boo. I'm so disappointed in you, Boo. No, not my Boo. That's what me always a watch with Kim. No. Me can't believe say you that, Boo. Guys, prank world. If I have a boyfriend and I'm me I do prank, him I do prank for me, or him do something, and basically from him say a prank, boop, me know me I go back and see the intro and every little thing. And me know say we lay down in our bed, shoulder to shoulder, head to head, and we maybe talk about say we talk about the prank world. I hope you not vex when time you get prank and that, you know. We have to talk about them little things there because we in it together. So we are gonna work together. So basically it's gone too far now with them. It's too far. So Boo, you need to go home back to your wife, give your wife another chance, and you know, tell her what you don't like and what you don't like. If you think she go too far, you make she know. Say that. And I know elder man like you guys are so jealous. Very jealous. You know, jealous bad when you come on to a woman. Me know that. You know, no want to see unscrap on a woman. But it's a prank girl. It's a prank girl. You have to accept it. Because you prank her same way. You bring woman in her yard. Bring woman talk about woman pregnant. That's a big prank world. Yes. So you get back prank now. So as what Q is saying, it's a revenge prank. Most YouTubers a revenge prank. All YouTubers me know do revenge prank. Who not do this, who not do that. Them most of them do revenge prank. So you have to just understand that, Boo. You have to just get into it and know say when you get back revenge prank, it go hotter than the one where you do to her. So you know say the one you hot, tough, bad. Yes, you have to just understand say it's a revenge prank. So Boo, oh my god, my girl can't eat, she can't do nothing, she can't sleep. Please just go home back to her. And guys, me I beg you no please in the comment section to Boo and please just encourage them. Yes, guys, they need us right now. So please, guys, just the positive. We don't want a negative right now. We want burn out the negative part right now for them. They need the positive. And guys, please pray for Boo and Kim. Please pray for them. They need us more than anything else. Pray for them. I really need you to go on back, Boo. Please go and mend her heart. Just make she feel but the Boo that she used to feel. Just please. I know that you're feeling hurt. Just forgive her, please. So guys, it's been a while now. I don't see my yes, you guys see my so I just wanna say like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I'm out. Guys, pray for Boo and Kim. Yes, I'm out.